So this is going to be a quick ride-along video for you guys featuring Lily's sister and the Focus. She may not even say anything at all during this video. She may say something, who knows, she may be camera shy. So just be kind of, you know, mindful of that. But before we get started with that, I'm going to let you guys know that soon here, maybe this week or so in the next couple of days, I'm going to be sitting down and making a full mod price list for the Focus. So basically what that means is I'm going to tell you in total everything that I spent in mods, both performance and appearance for that car. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so we gotta get the camera set up. So unfortunately I can't do the GoPro because I still need to get an SD card and I've just been lagging on that. So we're gonna use my regular camera, but it's all set up, so let's go get it. No, not Hecka. It's not Hecka. Wait, don't you like going fast? No. You don't? Looks like you do.
I'm scared.
I may have to run one.
Wait, the windows are gonna be down?
I'll probably roll them up because it may be too loud. Do you want them up or down? You want them up? Because you're here, huh?
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna do this two ways. So the first way is I'm gonna go fast, but it's not gonna be that fast because it's gonna be on low boost. They're gonna understand what I mean, but I'm letting you know. So it's gonna be first, it's gonna be on low boost, so it's not gonna be that fast. And then the second one is gonna be on high boost, so that's gonna be like the max. Okay?
I don't know what you're talking about, but okay. My friend's house.
Was it right there?
Yes.
Alright, so again, this is gonna be on low boost. So this is the slowest, basically.
Wait.
You ready? Ready?
That's the slowest.
That's the slowest. See, it's not that fast, right?
Oh, that was bad.
It's not that fast.
That was pretty.
That was probably around like 300 horsepower maybe. So I'll do it again so you can kind of get like a feel for it. That way you can tell me the difference, if you feel the difference.
There's probably gonna be a difference. That was fast and you said that was slow.
Yeah, that's literally the slowest that my car can be. Let's get around this corner first. Are you ready?
Yeah. Wait, that was the first one?
Yeah, that's still the first one.
Okay, now do the done.
Are you ready for the second one?
Yeah.
You ready?
No.
Alright.
Actually, yeah, no.
Alright, so this is the fastest that it can be. You ready? Ready?
I'm here.
So is there a difference?
Yes, he did.
Alright. You want to do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
You want to do it again? Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Actually, here. We'll do it differently. We'll break loose. We're just gonna run this stop sign. Don't tell nobody we did that.
Got you.
Alright, so we'll do it again. Actually, I had AC on this whole time. Actually, there's a stop sign on it. drive stick?
No.
You want to learn?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make a promise to you.
What?
I'll teach you how to drive stick, not in this car.
What about this car?
I'll teach you how to drive stick, but it won't be in this car. But if you learn how to drive stick, I'll let you drive this car.
Okay.
Is that deal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which car?
It'll be the red car that your sister drives. Cause that's kind of like the bare minimum car that, cause it's easier to learn. This clutch is a little bit I wouldn't say not forgiving, but it's easier to learn that car. How do you feel about the pops? Do you like them? Do you don't like them?
They're so loud.
So you don't like them?
No.
No? So why you don't like them because they're loud, or you don't like them because they're annoying?
They're annoying.
It's just your sister.
I heard you and Lily go down the street and it was so loud. I was like,
When?
I forgot. I was at the park, but I saw you guys.
Actually, I'm gonna go straight because I gotta pull it right there. So the first, I guess the first time we went fast, oh my gosh, the first time we went fast, that was more or less like what my car came stock. So that's how fast it was from stock. And then obviously the last pulls that we did, that was pretty much like the difference that I've done to make it faster. But more or less, yeah, that's why we build cars fast, because I mean it's fun. Especially when you have to like pass people and like use it actually.
Yeah, have you raced anybody?
I've raced a couple people actually. It's on my channel, so I wanna take your brother.
Oh, bear?
And see how yeah. You think he'll be scared?
No. His face is gonna be funny, so he actually got on camera.
I was supposed to do it today, but when I got here, I guess he was with his friends. So.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, I'm serious.
So again, this was just a quick video just to kind of give you guys, just give you some entertainment while you're in quarantine and you're isolated from everybody else. So if you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up. I plan on doing it again. And again, just look out for that video of me giving you a full quote of my modifications that I've done to the car. But other than that, I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.